Let's look at how to use some of the modify commands. We're going to start with erase, which will be the most common that you'll use because you'll want to get rid of things that you're not going to use in your drawing. So on your modify toolbar, you'll see what looks like the end of an eraser tip. That is actually the erase command tool. Or if you're using pull down menus, you can go to modify and pick erase there. Or again, as I've been showing you, there's type in commands. So E is a shortcut key for erase. Now, when it comes to erasing and selecting the objects, there are several methods on how you can select your objects. The most simplest is by picking. So when you pick on an object, you're going to have that turn into a X, which is basically like a delete, showing you that's what's the object you're getting ready to pick, and it kind of grays out. So when you pick on that object, it will also tell you at the command line that it did find one object. And this command allows you to do multiple, so I can go around and erase several different parts of this drawing. Another way to erase multiple pieces is by using a selection window or a selection crossing. They work very similar. One goes from making a pick point on the left of your screen and dragging around, so it's in blue, and that makes a window. What that would do is it would pick the entities inside the window. The other would be from going on the right back to the left. And again, it's green, but it picks anything that it actually crosses. So those are just two different ways to make windows. Another way to do a window is by pick and release, and then just draw the actual box around the object, and then pick the second corner. Crossing, same thing, from the right, release the mouse, drag the cursor, reselect, and it crosses the objects. So that's several different ways you can use the erase command. Now is when I might use the actual undo option at the top. What that will do is undo the last command that we used. There's also something called an oops, which you type in to the command line, OOPS, all it is, oops command, and it allows you to go back through your erases. So anytime that you would have erased, it would keep bringing those back to your screen. So undo and redo allow you to undo and redo commands, but this simply just works inside the erase command.